All right, this one is the test on. Some people probably say that this is probably the most important guitar to be testing this pickup on. I don't know if I'd go that far, but I'd say that it's a very, very common guitar that does not come with the electronics in it. And so this is a Martin HD-28, 2005 model. So this is going to be something that is very common, very sought out for, and everyone that I know has bought an H28 for the H28 E Retro. You know, it has the electronics in it now. So many people say, "What electronics should I put in this guitar?" You know, and a D28, a 28 series, D28, HD28, HD28V, whatever. So many people ask the question, what electronics it put in. So we're going to test it out on this guitar and see how it sounds. This does not have new chords on it, new strings on, I'm sorry. They're not really, really bad sounding, but they're far from being new. They're really not buzzing too much like some of the guitars I've got here, but I didn't want to put brand new strings on every single guitar just to test the pickup. So here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Acoustic only here. Make sure I get the... Okay, here we go. Now, we're going to go ahead and turn that pickup on and see how it goes. Since I'm pretty sensitive here. Let's get that down just a slight bit. Turn the guitar a little bit. Okay, another one. Then with that John Denver one that we had a few minutes ago, and I need to do that with my fingers here because I think that's going to be pretty. Turn that up a little bit here. Turn the gain down. sensors around. I'm going to try that a little bit because this guitar is probably worth you know, moving around and testing a little bit here. Let's move them over to here. I'm going to move the treble one probably here. Let's try that out and see what this does. Give it a little bit of different. I'm moving those positions right there, okay? You can really sound the difference. I mean, there's, you know, it really is quite a bit. I need to bring that gain down a little bit and maybe put a finger pick on in this position here. Pretty woman walking down the street, pretty woman. This, yeah, it's gone out a little out of tune slightly, but here we go. Slightly down here. This is the thing where you got to get that, really get the sensors in the right place. So sensitive they are. So that's what that sounds like on a Martin HD-28. Again, you know, I could be moving these sensors all into different, completely places. I've just done it in 2 different places. You see, there's a lot of different sound, and really, what you want to do is really find the right sweet spot for these sensors on this guitar. I mean, get in, if you want to get a permanent version, get the inside one. No, it's the one that installs inside, and just test on the outside. Find the right spots. It just uses the little tack stuff, so you just have to put a little bit in there and test and move it around, and then install it. And that's what that guitar sounds like. You know, HD-28, pretty standard reference sound, and it comes out pretty acoustic sounding. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of idea what you can hear with the Peterman acoustic on at least this HD-28.